5 places on the Earth where gravity becomes zero. 5 places on the Earth where gravity becomes zero. Mystery spot, Santa Cruz, California. St. Ignace Mystery Spot, Michigan. Cosmos Mystery Area, Rapid City. Spook Hill, Florida. Magnetic Hill, Lake. Thanks for watching, see you again, bye.